Good morning, vlog. So it is Thursday, Friday Eve, and I am on my way to school. This is just a day in the life as a teacher, what I do when I go home, all of it. So I'm so excited to be filming today, and I'm so glad you're back to watch another video. So let's go be a teacher for a day. Okay, so I just got to school and I am trying to get everything situated for my kids. Every day this looks different. Like I said in my last vlog, on Mondays I come in super early and I get everything done for the week. And then Tuesday through Friday I come much later, around like 7:20ish, 7:25ish. Because everything is already done, so it's not much prepping I need to do. Now, as a teacher, this drawer really helps me out because Thursdays we plan as a team and we get all information. Fridays, so Thursdays we plan as a team, we get all the information for the next week. Friday is when you put all those plans into like one paper, and then you can start like printing stuff off that's going to go correlate with that lesson. And then on Monday I have everything printed and it goes in each day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it goes in each one of those drawers. This is just extra copies, and this is for like grading and filing and stuff like that. So when I come in on today's Thursday, I just pull out the drawer and all the papers that's in it, I know this is what I need for today. Days are really Friday Junior for me, so we don't do anything extravagant on Thursdays. It's kind of more like a review for Friday, because you know Friday's already when your tests and quizzes are. So it's not much planning I need to do today. So I got my slides up. When the kids come in, I'm going to go ahead and get the morning news show up for them. So that's ready when they come in. Dun, 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 dun. Yesterday was Valentine's Day and the kids were crazy. They weren't crazy, but they were super excited, which is second grade, so they're going to be excited because they know candy. So I'm so glad that was yesterday and it's now over. So yeah, the new show should be coming up. All right, so now I'm just going to go over my plans. I have a seesaw assignment. I don't really know what I'm doing for math, so I'm going to go double check math. Because again, I made these plans last week, so sometimes you just got to double check and see what you're talking about. Students begin independent work on 8. So let's go look at that. So this is my planning period, but I've had 2 meetings so far. One was IEP and the next one is just an update on a student. So that's what I'm doing now. So good, that's good. So I got all of the notes I've been writing for our phone call.
Some of my information's not in the revo.
Oh, I was noticing that was empty, and I didn't know if
It is now after school. I just got out of school maybe like an hour ago, and I had to come to the UPS store. I did that. Trey Trey's at home sleeping, so I'm just gonna go home and we're gonna have a quick and easy dinner tonight. So I'm not gonna start it just yet because it's only 3:40 right now, so I'll probably start that around 5 o'clock. But I think I'm gonna go home and just relax on the couch for the rest of the day. Today was an awesome day at school. We had no issues with anything. It was just went by very smoothly. I'm praying the same thing goes for tomorrow. But yeah, we're just gonna have a chill rest of the day. I don't feel like going to the gym today, so I'm not going to. And yeah, sometimes it's a gym day, sometimes it's not. So we're gonna go head home and enjoy some quiet time. Alright, so I just made it back home and I opened up my package and I just bought some dip powders. I'm so excited. I bought the whole kit and caboodle to start doing my nails at home because I absolutely hate, more than anything in the world, is going to the nail salon. I hate how long it takes. I hate just community, just everybody everybody stick their fingers in this. I hate waiting, trying to find the right time to go, certain days, paying $80+ for like a dip powder and a false nail and dip powder. And I bought this on Amazon for, I want to say, I don't even know how much. Let me look. These on Amazon are $8. $8 plus I got some fake tips that were $6, and then all you need is to be able to cure it. And how much I paid for all of this is the equivalent to getting my nails done once there. So I feel like this would be a good investment. This can be like my weekend kind of just girl time. I absolutely love doing my own stuff, my own eyebrows, waxing, all the things. This was the only thing I was still like paying for, and I love having my nails done, but I just could not justify going there spending $80 to $85 on just a full set. I just can't fathom that. It's just way too much. So I just decided, you know, enough is enough. I'm gonna do my own dip at home, and I also bought some gel stuff to do my toes. And I don't know if you can do dip on your toes or not, but it's mine, so if I want to dip my big toe in here, I can, because no one else is using it but me. But anyways, yeah, so I'm still waiting on one more product or one more package to come tomorrow, and then I'll have everything I need to start doing my nails at home, and I'm so excited about it. So if you guys want to see like a little video or tutorial, even though this is my first time and it might not be the best, I would love to film that for you guys. I went upstairs and took a shower and just laid around talking to JJ. So now I am starting dinner. It is 5:32. Trey is still sleeping. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner cooked and ready. So when he wakes up, he can eat, and then we can just hang out, maybe go outside for a little walk. And that'll be the end of the night. We'll just hang out the rest of the night. So let's cook some dinner. So the orange chicken is done. I'll do a little taste test. So good. So this is what it's looking like. And then I usually grab some sesame seeds and just sprinkle a little bit on it to give it that restaurant feel. Just like that. And ta-da! The chicken is done. So the chicken took about 8 minutes to cook. 10 if you want it just a little bit crispier. And then this is the rice. And again, the rice you put in the microwave for 3 minutes. And this is a microwave safe venting bag. So once it's done cooking, you just cut it open and put it in your bowl. This is what I do. Let's see if I can get it. And the rice is done. This is trash. And then, while it's still steaming like this, you get some butter. What am I doing? So we're gonna get some butter and put it in the mix. And I just like to stir it in there. I don't really care for the salt in my rice, but I love some pepper in it. Yummy pepper. And then I put a little bit of parsley flakes in there too, just to give it some color. So, and then this is the rice. And then I'll take something like I usually have my dishes drying. I'll just take a lid and let it cover so the butter will melt. And then I'll just, you know, straighten up any dishes while I let this sit for a little bit. I'm not gonna let it sit too long because your girl is hungry. I wish I had a avocado so I can have it with it, but that's okay. I'll grab some this weekend for sure. So that is dinner. I'm gonna grab some lemonade I made. Make me a nice fat glass of lemonade. Hello. Look who's up from his 2-hour-long nap. Isa E.
Beautiful house.
So, Mr. Church is now up. It is officially 6:07. So he slept an extra 30 minutes. Or more than I thought. Today. I love filming for you guys. If you're watching, guys.